Hello, all my visionary builders. I am pleased to bring to you this information. Are you ready to get started in affiliate marketing today, even if you have no experience previously, have no success? We're going to use a Keye Academy concept, which is simply learning, earning, growing, and scaling, and continuous learning ahead the Keye way. Welcome to video 2, where we are going to unveil the secrets behind utilizing Keye Academy platform 2.0. We're moving from our beta platform to our 2.0 platform, and I have some wonderful stuff to share with you. First of all, the affiliate partnership program, and then in this video, we're also going to share with you how you can get a hold of a high converting cheat sheet. It's a done-for-you promotional package for affiliate partnership secret sauce program that I will show you how to access. And let's get started. So I want you to consider Keye Academy, our YouTube channel, and all our products. It's a safety net while you use Keye Academy, even for your own business. Use Keye Academy in your own strategies, or use our partnership program. And you also use our marketing promotional guide, which is a done-for-you funnel. And in this marketing model, you will also have a couple more things. It's a new and improved system that ensures that you don't miss an opportunity on any prospect. It helps you focus on driving traffic and connecting with your audience. Our Keye Academy 2.0 platform is what makes the affiliate partnership program so special. Your ultimate toolkit for making you $300K a month. No joke. So imagine this, having a affiliate marketing partnership program that is no startup capital necessary, no risk with risky startups and starting your own business. You don't have to build a team, and it's not nowhere near close to the pyramid model of building a business. Right? Sounds too good to be true, isn't it? And most people say it as it does. It sounds too good to be true. And actually, but in this case, it's different. Partners are all on the same level. No special degrees between no partners. Anybody can do this at any age. And partners also mentor and coach each other and work with each other. We make money together and grow together like a family. It's completely white label your business, your company, your logo, your marketing, your everything, absolutely free. That is the challenging part about this thing. Getting started is like the same as the process with getting a job. You know, you have a tax form, and how do you get paid? How do you receive your money? That's it, man. That's the basis of getting started. Is simplicity. People don't want to believe it, because they don't believe in themselves. You start making money on day one, and only you can get in your own way, or you can stop yourself at the door and not believe in the simplicity that there's no risk involved, and you still want to give it a chance. Okay, that is the only thing that can get in your way. The startup link is in the description, so clicking on that link will take you to our Keye open source platform for our visionary builders, where you start earning appears at the top of the page. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see your high converting, done for you promotional package that is specifically for your affiliate partnership secret sauce program. It's just crafted to position you on a ultimate path of $300K a month. No, this didn't come overnight. This is something that somebody sacrificed and worked their whole life for you to have. Right? Somebody worked their whole life for something, and this is happening whether you believe it or not. So you stay grounded in a strategy, and this will work. When you pour down to this promotional package, it includes all done-for-you templates. That includes a ready-to-use film video script that is only 60 seconds long to get you started on making short form videos in a adaptable capture template for capturing leads for your TikTok reels and YouTube short videos in a strategic framing that balance ambition with credibility as you prepare to post 3 videos a day showing social proof using the links in my bio method. This guide, that is a promotional guide for the Secret Sauce program, is ready to go video script, already ready to perform templates that is a funnel for your leads in capturing your audience attention and giving you the edge for a great start at no cost to you. In addition to that, you also receive a capture template that you can edit to boost your engagement, and also a link in my bio tracker. It is a virtual tool that tracks every click so you don't miss any opportunities as you progress. This tracker will help you assess your content impact and adjust your strategy as needed. So we do believe the more information that you have, the better decisions you can make when moving your own business and scaling it up. To move closer to your income that you desire, your financial freedom number, knowledge is power. It is almost everything. Let your process find you the way that is particular to you, and head to your posting schedule as needed.
ClickFunnels proudly sponsors today's episode. When creating an automated income stream, tech hurdles often slow you down. You have the product and offer. But what about combining a landing page builder, email service, checkout system, and membership area? That's overwhelming. It can drain your budget, complicate your efforts, and halt your progress. That's why I choose ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is more than just a website builder. It serves as the foundation for your automated income. It empowers you to create high-converting sales funnels, specific pages designed to convert strangers into customers, without any coding knowledge. Whether you're marketing a print-on-demand item, a digital course, or a SaaS subscription, ClickFunnels provides templates, checkout integration, and email automation, all in one platform. Stop juggling 5 subscriptions that fail to sync. Start constructing a cohesive system that functions seamlessly. If you're ready to streamline your tech setup and convert visitors into income, click the link in the description below. Initiate your free trial with ClickFunnels today. This link also helps support our channel and keeps these valuable insights coming. So, don't miss out. Build your first funnel and watch your traffic turn into profits. Let's return to the lesson.
So just imagine every morning you wake up, you're sharing knowledge and insights with your audience and become the expert that everyone turns to when called on. And in the afternoon, you tell stories to your audience, and then as the night falls, closing the day with a compelling call to action. This is a typical day for the type of connection you need to make this work. This proactive approach will help you foster relationships with your audience and turn casual viewers into potential buyers. This is not a quick witch or don't do any efforts strategy, but you do have to put work into this. Make every post unique. Find ways. The same bio link on all your platforms. Make sure you're using the links in my bio method with all your videos. This creates a bond and increase trust and build brand loyalty with those viewers who believe in your video and your information. So successful entrepreneurs marketing relies heavily on interacting with their buyers. the next step encourages you to brainstorm alternately, follow up with ideas, dig out something that is not required a large email list, but you can use your small audience on sites like Instagram, TikTok, and it's not just about posting content, but it's also about engaging with your audience in real time. That's the key word, real time. If they're interested in your offer, any type of offer that you're trying to post to them, or you're trying to make them believe, you can just nudge them all the way to your bio link. And this is where that strategy, the links in my bio, come in handy. It's where you get some excellent stuff that's just waiting on them to be there, and they call that right, lead generator. And like a free guide or a free ebook or something like that, that is your lead generator. It's in your bio. This is the one, or your template, or your guide. This is one-on-one interaction that builds more meaningful connection and trust, making your audience more and more willing to act on your suggestions. Even every conversation is an opportunity for you to build this type of relationship with your audience that ultimately will lead them to a better overall scaling system that you would end up with by growing. So as you grow, you allow your audience to know that you are growing with better marketing strategies and overall a better conversion rate as you come to the end of your affiliate marketing journey. I want you to leave me a post, leave me a message in the comment to let me know where you at in your journey and the struggles that you are having. Leave a comment in the post. And I will see about catering a guide to individually whoever leaves me a comment in the post. It is important to review your process and to be truthful to yourself about where you are in the process, and then leave me the comment. You must celebrate every little win also, and let it motivate and inspire you to do even more. Make your milestones known, whether it is hitting a certain number of followers or making your first sale. These are important milestones to you and must be celebrated. This recognition will give you a more boost and take you farther than what you actually ever think you would go. Also, it is important is that the ability to be flexible, as you live in your life, and that you're also working and you making these videos on top of that. I know things can seem tight. It will seem seamless that you have any time to do anything, but you have to make sure that you're squeezing in that time for objective feedback and analyzing data, so that on your account you make small adjustments to improve and better your service to your audience. Keep the momentum going and stay flexible no matter how hard you're working, and you might have kids or whatever. You have to make sure that these things are squeezed in there. You can't let this slip through your fingers, because it will, all the hard work that you put into this will slip right through your fingers, because we're on your way to generate a substantial income, like reaching your financial freedom number. By using your affiliate efforts, the results that you will exceed is exponential. and it will go farther than what you will realize. And please keep in mind the power of storytelling. On top of this, when you speak to your audience, make your content relate by using your life experiences and lessons, or what you know that somebody else may be facing. It doesn't just engage, it builds trust and authenticity that gets your followers responding in a positive way. Every story you share will help you humanize your brand, make it real, and make it more relatable. Make your message clear and impactful, and make sure that you make it known. Social proof out how you're impacting others' lives that relates to your audience, and that will create an interest that is much needed for your business to grow. So build a community that makes your followers feel appreciated, and listen to and let your affiliate marketing do its thing, actively engaging you with your audience through feedback, personalizing your content towards what they're going through, relating to their lives, and catering to their preferences. All these things is how you be successful. Affiliate marketing, and any type of marketing, it's marketing for your own business, really, with your efforts or participation in this way, you will reach a point of success where you have to maintain a clear perception with prospects and bringing in new prospects. You might have to cap it off. You're going to have so many new customers, new clients, new prospects that I have with what you're bringing in. And remember that the journey never truly ends. And learn whatever you can and keep the process growing, no matter how slow or seeing how it looks. Affiliate marketing is a remarkable field to be in, and it's a tremendously rewarding field to be in. Don't give up. Stay with it and trust the process. If you enjoyed this information, leave me a comment. Let me know what you enjoyed. Let me know what your struggles are with this and what you don't understand. I will try my best to help you out. Also, like, share, and subscribe. And be ready for video 3 out of 5 videos. We're ready to get this done. We're ready to get all these. We're ready to get this channel completely built for y'all, for you. And thank you, and y'all have a blessed day. See you next.